Calling London veterans, your next mission begins here at the London College of Music.
If you want to come and make some music with a group of people that you will enjoy spending time with, then this is the place for you. And you don't need anything in particular. Bring what you know, bring something in your head that you would like to do you haven't already. It's fine.
Our veterans this year will be learning to make some electronic music, make some dance music, explore sound and what the computer can do as well, so that they can go away and do that themselves in their own time.
I've been creating music or making noises for as long as I can remember, but to get back to playing with people again was great therapy.
Join the course and you will absolutely enjoy it.
Keep an open mind, enjoy it, have fun.
Our music making project is open to all veterans in the London area, and it involves 10 weeks in person on a Friday afternoon in June, July this year, and also 8 weeks follow-up online in the evening. So if you'd like to get involved, then just follow the link below to sign up.